Welcome to EDOM Electronics, your trusted partner in USB cable manufacturing. Located in China, our state-of-the-art factory operates 5 production lines, ensuring precision and efficiency in every product we create. At EDOM Electronics, we specialize in customized USB cables, tailored to meet the specific needs of distributors and OEM equipment manufacturers. From design to delivery, we ensure the highest quality standards. Our team of expert engineers works diligently to develop innovative solutions. Each USB cable undergoes rigorous quality control processes, including electricity testing, durability assessments, and certification checks, to guarantee reliability and performance. Whether you need USB-A, USB-C, or any other type, our extensive product range and flexible manufacturing capabilities can cater to your exact requirements. With a commitment to excellent customer service, our team works closely with procurement officers and product managers to ensure timely delivery and seamless communication. From Europe to North America, our efficient logistics network ensures your orders arrive on time, every time. Choose EDOM Electronics for your USB cable needs. Quality, customization, and reliability, all from a partner you can trust.